right, so the wig that I am wearing on my head is called the Candice Wig. I purchased it from Amazon.com and it came in a package like this. It says Candice hair. It does not have like the pictures or anything like that, but it did come well packaged. I mean, it came in a plastic package and it did come with a wig cap. It's a netted wig cap. I have not used it yet, but I got this from Amazon and this is a synthetic wig and it's in the color 1B, which is a natural black. Y'all, I'm sorry, I need to calm down. So I got this for $29.90, under $30. And it comes with 3 clips. It comes with, so this front part is like a lace, and I'll show you the inside of the wig in a clip. But this front part is a lace, so you have a little bit of room for parting, not the entire front part, but just like this area. And then it has a clip behind the lace parting, and then it does have 2 adjustable straps. I'm not using it because I have a wig grip on and I didn't want it to be too tight, but it does feel so comfortable. It is big head friendly. So this hair is synthetic. It's a loose curly texture and it is 24 inches. So I'm 5'6", and it's damn near, it stops right there. So it's almost to the top of my behind. So it's very long, but it is synthetic and it has loose curls. It's like a wavy curl pattern. Now, when I first got this, it was a little tighter, but I brushed it out. You will see it on the clip because that's straight out the packaging. I did cut the lace. I brushed through it and I did add some mousse to it. And I'll provide a link to the mousse below because I got that from Amazon too, and it had great reviews. And I think I do like it. It does add a little bit of shine to it, but not too much. So like I said, this is a free parting wig. So the front part is lace. It does have a 3.5 inch parting. Does this hair tangle? There is slight tangling. It's not as much as you would think. Like, honestly, I'm just so shook because this is from Amazon and I wasn't expecting this. But it's not bad tangling at all. There's not bad shedding. It's not like, I've bought more expensive wigs that shed more than this one. So, I mean, the shedding is minimal and the tangling is minimal. Like, this is crazy. Like, you see that? I'm just so in shock that this wig is actually this great of quality and I got it off Amazon. This is crazy. So it is 180% density. It's very full. I love how full it is. So you can like honestly make this your own. You can cut layers into it. You can do whatever. You can't add color, I don't think. It's synthetic. So it does take heat. And honestly, that's all I have. When a wig is nice, like extremely good, when a wig is good quality, I really have not much to say. So these type of videos, when I really love a wig, it's gonna be hella short because there's really not many complaints that I can give y'all. Under $30, y'all. I'm not an expert. Now on the side, this lace, it's a lace part right here and it does lift up. I didn't glue it down because I just didn't glue it down. But this part does lift up, so, but it won't show unless you're wearing your hair back. Then you can get some Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Snot, whatever that's called, and then stick it down and blow dry it. But other than that, like, I'm sorry, I have nothing else to say. Let me know your thoughts on this wig in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this type of wig. I haven't done a lot to it because I didn't want to do too much before showing you guys. So I may tweeze the hairline, the front hairline. Now I'm going to try. But I didn't want to do too much. I wanted y'all to see it in its original form. I did brush through it because the curls were a little too much extra for me. But all I did was take a brush and brush through, and it was so easy because it's not bad at tangling. Like I said, this is an A1 wig. Thank you for watching. Bye.